Hello guys, welcome all of you at Math Square. In this session, we are going to discuss again a very good problem. This problem is based on theory of equation, and we can also apply concept of complex number to solve this problem. So we will discuss this problem through two methods. First method will be based on theory of equation, and second method we will use concept of complex number. So let us start our discussion. First, so fx is x6 minus 2x cube minus x minus 8, and gx is x square plus 2x plus 4. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 6 are roots of fx is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of z of alpha 1 into z of alpha 2 up to so on z of alpha 6. Now look, fx can be written in terms of gx. Suppose we are dividing fx by gx. X square plus 2x plus 4 divided by divide this fx by gx. So when you will divide it, you will get quotient as x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 6x minus 12, and remainder as 40. You can easily calculate it. So this is going to be our gx, and this is fx. So fx can be written as x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 6x minus 12 into gx plus 40. Now look here. So we can write fx minus 40 upon this quantity x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 6x minus 12 at gx. So again we are writing gx is equal to fx minus 40 upon, take x cube as common. So this is going to be x minus 2. Take 6 as common. This is going to be x minus 2 again. So this can be written as fx minus 40 upon x minus 2 into x cube plus 6. Now look at here. We have to find product of g of alpha 1, g of alpha 2 up to so on g of alpha 6. So what will be the value of g of alpha I? This is going to be f of alpha I minus 40 upon alpha I minus 2 into alpha I cube plus 6. And we know that alpha I for I is equal to 1 to 6 are roots of fx. So this value is going to be 0. So z of alpha I is equal to minus 40 by alpha I minus 2 into alpha I cube plus 6. So we can write g of alpha 1 into g of alpha 2 up to so on g of alpha 6 as, so minus 40 will be product how many times? 6 times. So this is going to be 40 to the power 6 up to so on alpha 1 minus 2 up to so on alpha 6 minus 2 into alpha 1 cube plus 6 to so on alpha 6 cube plus 6 to so on. So we have to find these two values. Now look here. What is fx? Fx is x to the power 6 minus 2x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. Now what we can write? We can make it as a perfect square. X to the power 6 minus 2x cube plus 1 is equal to 9. So this value can be written as x cube minus 1 to the power whole square is equal to 9. So x cube minus 1 will be plus minus 3. So x cube is going to be two values. X cube can be 4 and x cube can be minus 2. So suppose three roots will come from this equation and another three roots will come from this equation. Say alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3 roots will become from this equation, and alpha 4, alpha 5 and alpha 6, this root will come from this equation. So what will be the value of x cube plus 6? Here 10. And what will be the value of x cube plus 6? here 4. So what we can write, that alpha 1 alpha I cube plus 6 is going to be 10 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3, and alpha I cube plus 6 is going to be 4 for I is equal to 4, 5, 6. And so what will be their product? Their product, 10 will be multiplied 3 times and 4 will be multiplied 3 times. So what we can write, alpha 1 cube plus 6 up to so on, alpha 6 cube plus 6 is going to be 10 cube into 4 cube, that is 40 cube. So we have got this value as 40 cube. Now what we have to find? We have to find this value. Now look, fx, what is fx? Again, x to the power 6 minus 2x cube minus 8. And we know that its root are alpha 1, alpha 2 up to so on alpha 6. So we can write it as x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2 up to so on x minus alpha 6. Put x is equal to 2. So this is going to be 2 to the power 6 minus 2 into 2 cube minus 8. And this value is going to be 2 minus alpha 1, 2 minus alpha 2 up to so on 2 minus alpha 6. So what will be this value? This is going to be 64. This is going to be 16 minus 8, and we can pick minus as common. So this value will be alpha minus 2, alpha 2 minus 2, so on, alpha 6 minus 2. So what will be this value? This is going to be again 40. Now look at here. So this value is again going to be 40. So if we will calculate it, what we will get? We will get a z of alpha 1 into z of alpha 2 up to so on. G of alpha 6 is equal to 40 to the power 6 by 40 to the power 4, that is 40 square. That is going to be 1600. So we have solved this problem by the concept of, with the help of concept of theory of equation. Now this problem can be solved by application of complex number very easily. Within 3 to 4 steps we will able to solve this problem. So next we will solve this problem with the help of complex number. Now look here. What is fx? X to the power 6 minus 2x cube minus 8. And we know that its roots are alpha 1 to alpha 6. So this can be written as x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2 up to so on x minus alpha 6. Now consider gx. What is gx? Gx is x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So what are the roots of gx? This is our gx. Make it as perfect square first. This can be written in minus 3. So what will be this value? X plus 1 whole square is equal to minus 3. So x plus 1 is going to be plus minus iota root 3. So x is going to be minus 1 plus minus iota root 3. Multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So easily you can see that 1 minus 1 plus iota root 3 by 2 is going to be omega, and minus 1 minus iota root 3 by 2 is going to be omega square. So it has two roots. One root is 2 omega and another is 2 omega square. So our gx can be written as 2 minus omega into 2 x minus 2 omega into x minus 2 omega square, or we can write it as 2 omega minus x or 2 omega square minus x. Now look at here. Put x is equal to 2 omega. So what value you will get? 2 omega to the power 6, that is 2 to the power 6 omega to the power 6 minus 2 into 2 cube omega cube minus 8. is going to be 2 minus omega, sorry, 2 omega minus alpha 1 2 omega minus alpha 1 into 2 omega minus alpha 2 up to so on 2 omega minus alpha 6. So we know that omega q is 1. So what will be this value? This value is going to be 1. This value is going to 1. Now we will calculate it. 2 to the power 6 is going to be 64 minus 16 minus 8. So whole this value is going to be 14. So the multiplication of all this term is going to be 14. Now put x is equal to 2 omega square. So what will be this value? This is going to be 2 to the power 6 omega cube. Sorry, omega to the power 12. And this is going to be again 2 into 2 cube omega to the power 6 minus 8. And this value is going to be 2 omega minus 2 omega square minus alpha 1, 2 omega square minus alpha 2, up to so on 2 omega square minus alpha 6. Now, if you will multiply these two terms, if you will multiply this equation 1 and this equation 2, this will get combined, and this will become what? Z alpha 1. This will become what? Z alpha 2. Z of alpha 2. Up to so on, and this will become what? Z of alpha 6. Okay, now if you again this value is going to be 1, this value is going to 1. So if you will calculate it, you will get 40. Now if you will multiply these two value, this is going to be 40 square. Again we are getting 1600. So you can easily see that by the help of complex number, by the application of complex number, we can solve this problem within 3 to 4 steps. So always complex number is going to be very handy. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Especially these videos. These videos are very handy for the preparation of IIT JEE mains and advanced and other competitive exams. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment. Your comment is very important. Your comment will encourage me to make more and more videos like this. Thank you.